It's going to keep on cranking here. I'm trying to upload these as I'm doing them. So one thing I'm going to move over, so our little index here, I'm just going to click the end and I'm going to drag it to O2. You can still see it functions. We're going to italicize this. You can leave the border if you want or not. So now we're going to make a layout if you want to have on your training sheet to give like a general athletic profile of this athlete. So we're going to go up here, first 2 and 3. I'm going to merge these, put a thick border around. We're going to go black with the white, and we'll go current maxes. And we can wrap text this. So some of this is going to look a little bit crazy because we got hidden cells here, but that's all right. It's still going to print just fine. So we're going to do groups of 2. So I'm going to merge center, put a thick border. This one's going to merge more than 2. Put a thick border. Merge 2. Thick border. So this last one, this last exercise, I'm just going to keep it the size of the notes. And it'll probably be bench press or vert or something. Alright. Why is that showing up over there? Oh, okay. Here's why. No fill. Actually, I'm going to keep the fill. Sorry. Fill. No border. Let's try adding this thick border. There we go. Because I had it select here, so it was leaning against the cells right here. That's why I put the border there. I'm going to do the same thing down here. Merge. 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 Select each one of these. Put a border around. I'm just going to leave that there for now. Alright. And I'm going to put this a different color. So let's put this maybe a little bit lighter orange. So one easy way to go about this is I'm going to go equals roster clean. Go to the next one, equal, go to my roster page, equal, roster, back squat, and we'll leave the last one. Let's go bench press. Actually, let's go vert. I don't care about the bench. So my training cards are not gonna pull the maxes from these blocks right here. So anytime I change this, so if I go in and change this, so say I go broad, if I go back here, it's automatically going to switch that. Just so you're aware of that. Alright, so now this is just going to give our general athletic profile. So we are going to use VLOOKUP to look, so we're going to do a vertical lookup for this athlete and pull that information. So we're going to go equals VLOOKUP, look up the value, so I want the value in T2, table array, so I can go roster profile, that's that entire selection we made, and we're going to go to false because I want an exact match, 300. So if I go here, yep, it's got 300. So what I want to go here is add our if error statement. If error, I want all of this to be blank. So I'm going to go Control C, and we're going to paste formula. Now all we got to do is go over here. Oh, excuse me, this should have stayed. So put dollar signs around T and 2 because I want it to stay in this column and I want it to use this cell, so it's going to pull only from this. Alright, now let's do this again. Control C, paste formulas. We're just going to work down, so 3, Why didn't it paste on that one? Alright, Control C. Try it again. Paste. Formulas. I want this to be 4. And bench press was 5, so vertical number is 6. So you gotta see how that works, alright? So VLOOKUP, I wanna look up this person and I wanna find their information. Well, where am I gonna find this information? I'm gonna find it in roster profile. Clean is in column 2. Trap bar deadlift is in column 3. Back squats in column 4. Bench press 5 and vertical 6. So we go back here, you can see that this is the column and verts in 6. So the only one missing is the bench press. If you want to put the bench press on there, you can. Alright, so now we got that functioning. Might leave this blank. Maybe we'll get in that later. Alright. I'm going to make the next video because it's going to take a little bit of time on how we're going to make a max sheet. So to be able to pull information so we can assign percentages to a movement. I'll go over that in the next video because it's going to be a little bit time consuming.